Welcome back to my channel, The Random Unboxer. Today we will be unboxing an awesome product from Redgear. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Your support is all we need. This is Manta 4.1 from Redgear. This all-in-one gaming set comes with Redgear Blaze membrane keyboard with 3 LED backlight, Redgear 3200 DPI, Manta gaming mouse, Redgear Speed gaming mousepad and Redgear RGB gaming headphones with mic. So without further ado, let's unbox. The Manta 4.1 includes MT41 speed-type small mouse mat, which is built with the great technology to ensure the precise and consistent glide. The mouse mat is much more soft and comfortable to touch. Perfect for the gamers who love speed and acceleration, which gives maximum accuracy and movement speed for their gaming settings. Manta headphone. The 40mm magnetic drivers make sure that no matter which game you're playing, you'll always have the drop on your enemies. The pinpoint accuracy is great for FPS, while the overall sound makes a great experience for enjoying a game of LoL, an RPG, or any MMOs. The Manta headphone has 3.5mm audio mic jack and USB for LED with remote to control the volume and mute function during long gaming sessions. The Manta gaming mouse is equipped with a 3200 DPI optical sensor, capable of mouse movement speeds of up to 50 inches per second. The ergonomic shape of the mouse gives gamers the most comfortable gaming experience ever. The Redgear Manta gaming mouse is especially designed for right-hand users. The LED effect along with all the features makes the mouse more stylish. The Blaze keyboard is specially designed to comply with pro gaming tournament. For low DPI gamers or high doesn't matter, Blaze is designed for both. The design gives you extra space to make wide moves with your mouse. Easy to carry and using the keyboard while playing games online and offline tournaments. That's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to share, subscribe and like our videos. We'll meet you in another random unboxing. Stay tuned.